Hey, it's Todd. I'm back for daily video number 49. Back on the daily video bandwagon, taking off from where we left off last time. Look, today's video is called Stop Lying to Yourself. Now, this video came as a result of a training that I was running on the weekend where I was talking about how we get from where we are to where we want to be. And the biggest obstacle between where you are and where you want to be, more often than not, is the BS, the bullshit that we tell ourselves that keeps us stuck, okay? And the number one thing that we need to do in respect to any goal that we have, whether it's our body, whether it's our finances, whether it's relationships, anything, is we have to be hungry. Because if you're hungry, I mean like a dog that has not eaten in days, you will do anything to get some food in your stomach, right? You have to be exactly the same with your goals. It's like Chet Holmes used to say, pig-headed discipline. You need pig-headed discipline, pig-headed determination in respect to what you want to achieve. But people give up too easily. We hit an obstacle on our way to our goal and we go, oh geez, it's too hard, that's it, I throw in the towel. We get started and it doesn't happen as quickly as we like and we go, oh geez, no, it mustn't work, which is absolutely stupid. The fact is that what we have to do to get what we actually want is we have to be hungry. And a lot of people throw in the fucking towel and then they lie to themselves to justify why it didn't work. They say, oh, it didn't work because it wasn't the right time. People didn't want to buy my product or service. I couldn't hire the right staff. I didn't have enough money to get things started. I went to the gym and I started working out, but my body just didn't change. I must be big boned. And we bullshit to ourselves about why what we wanted to do or what we want in our life isn't here, why we don't have it right now. But the fact is that the only thing that was missing was hunger. Because if you're hungry, and I mean really hungry, I said this on the weekend, if you're really hungry, you will do anything to make what you want become real. You do anything to get that meal. It's like a dog that smells that food, it'll jump fences, it'll dig holes, it'll try to get there and eat because it's starving. You need to be like that with your goals, with your body, with your finances, with your relationships. Do not let anything stand between where you are and where you want to be. It doesn't matter what the weather's like outside. It doesn't matter how much money's in my back pocket. It doesn't matter who I've got on my team, what I've got behind me, what I can and can't do. I'm going to make my goals become real. 95% of the population will give up way too soon. It's like that whole story in Think and Grow Rich when the guy's digging for the gold, and he stops when it's just there. He stops when it's just there. Don't be like that guy that gave up when the gold mine was literally right there in front of them, because that is the essence of regret.